Hi guys, teacher Carla here. What's up? Today we'll talk about possessive nouns. Let's go. Possessive nouns. Guys, possessives show ownership. That means that something belongs to someone or something. Okay? For example, I have here my beautiful, do you know this? My beautiful pencil case. Yes, my beautiful pencil case. And this is my pencil case, okay? Belongs to me. So, this is what I'm talking about, that something belongs to someone. In this case, this pencil case belongs to me, okay? So, in other words, they possess something. Okay, for example, if I want to show that a book belongs to the boy, I would be stated the boy's book. I can say the book belongs to the boy. Yes, okay. This is the boy's book is another way to say the same thing. Like the boy, like the book. Okay, the boy's book. Let's see the rules. How might you say these ideas using possessive form? Let's see. The coat belongs to the girl. The coat belongs to the girl. Okay, so that show the possessor is the girl, and that was possessed is the coat. So I can say the girl's coat. Yes. For another example, the bone belongs to the dog. Here I have the dog and the bone. Okay? So this bone here belongs to the dog. Okay? So I can say the dog's bone. Another example, the pencil belongs to the teacher. Teacher here possess something, and the possession is the pencil. Okay? So I can say the teacher's pencil. Okay? And another example here, the jump ropes in the plural, I have two jump ropes here, belongs to the students. I have a lot of students here, okay, that possess something. In this case, two jump ropes. It's jump ropes is in the plural, okay? So I can say the students jump ropes. Excellent. Guys, I have three basic rules, okay, to make possessives. And what are they? Let's see. Rule number 1. To form the possessive of a singular noun. Singular noun. For example, me, Carla, a dog, a teacher, a student, just one singular noun. Okay? We just add in the end of this word apostrophe and an S, like here, apostrophe and an S. So my name, Carla, becomes Carla. Yes, Carla's. Okay, this is number 1. For singular noun, I just add in the end of this noun apostrophe and an S. Okay, let's see an example. Carla's pencil case. That means this pencil case is mine. This is my pencil case. Belongs to me. Okay? Rule number 2. To form the possessive of a plural noun. Plural, more than one. Okay? Plural noun ending with an S. Okay? A lot of nouns, the plural ends with an S. Okay? For example, car, I have cars. Dog, dogs. Boy, boys. Girl, girls, whatever. Okay? So when I have plural noun and in an S, okay, I add only the apostrophe, okay, because I can write the S two times. The letter S can repeat. So I have here, for example, dogs, more than one, is a plural, and I just add the apostrophe, okay? Here, when I have a singular noun, I have to add both an apostrophe and an S. When I have a plural noun and with an S, I already have this S, so I can't repeat again the S. So I just add the apostrophe. Okay, understand here? And I have here an example. The dog's toys. That means I have more than one dog, for example, 4 dogs, and I have a lot of toys. And these toys belong to the dogs, okay? Rule number 3, let's see. To form the possessive of a plural noun that doesn't end with an S, whatever. In the words, in other words, guys, I have a regular noun here, a regular noun that's the plural is irregular, okay? For example, here I have mice, that's the plural of mouse. I have 1 mouse, 2 mice. I can say mices or mouses. It's wrong, okay? I have mouse, 1, 2 or more mice with an S, without an S, okay? So in this case, I treat this word like a singular noun, exactly the same, okay? So mice, I have to add apostrophe and an S, okay? Mices, okay? Another example of regular plural, for example, women. Women is a plural of woman. I have 1 woman and 2 women. In this case, if I want to make the possessive here, I add apostrophe and an S, women's. Okay, understand? This example here, I have the mice's cheese. Yes, I have 1 piece of cheese, 1 slice, I don't know. And I have a lot of mice fighting with each other for this piece of cheese, okay? So the mice's cheese. Guys, now you know how to use the possessives. Let's practice. Let's practice something, okay? A little bit. Singular possessives. Let's see. The lady owns the coat, okay? So this coat here belongs to the lady. So how can I say in a possessive way? Number 1, the lady's coat. Number 2, the lady's coat with an S and apostrophe here. And the lady's coat. Guys, look the noun. Lady, singular noun. With a singular noun, I just add apostrophe and an S. Okay? So, the right answer is number 3. Because lady is singular noun, apostrophe and an S. Okay? Another example. The man has a belt. The man has a belt. So this belt belongs to the man. So man is a singular, again, singular word. So I have to put the apostrophe and an S. Let's see. Man's, no, no. Number 3, the man's belt. Okay, because singular noun, we just add apostrophe and an S. Very good. Let's see. Guys, now it's a plural possessives. Let's see. Pay attention here. The nest belongs to the mice. Okay, this is one nest. Okay, and mice is a plural. Like I said to you before, the last slide here, we have a irregular plural here. So this case here, mice is a regular plural. So I made the possessive like a singular noun. Remember, so I have to add an apostrophe and an S. So the mice's nest, the mice's nest, no, number 1, the mice's nest. Yes, number 1. Here, the dishes belong to the woman. Here I have these dishes, okay, is a plural noun, but woman, singular noun, okay? So, woman possess the dishes. These dishes here belongs to the woman, so I have to write woman's dishes with apostrophe and an S. Number 2, the correct answer, because woman is a singular noun here, okay, and I just add the apostrophe and an S. Okay, the people owns the seats. Guys, we have here the mix of 2 words in a plural. Here, regular plural, I just add the S. Here, a regular plural. People is a plural of person. When I have 1 person or 2 people, 2 or more, I say people. So in this case here, peoples possess the seats. So I write this word like a singular noun, okay? Yeah, I made the rule here exactly the same for a singular noun. People owns the seats. So I write people's seats, okay? I just add apostrophe and an S. Number 3. Very good. And guys, I have here they both together. Let's see. Ring belongs to the girl. Here I have a singular noun, girl. Okay? So, a singular noun, I just add apostrophe and an S. The girl's ring. Excellent. And on the last one, the bike belongs to the 3 boys. I have 1 bike, and the possessor is the 3 boys. Okay, so boys is a plural noun. So just I say the boys' bike. Okay, here the boys' bike. This word already ends with an S, so I need to just put the apostrophe. I can repeat the S 2 times here. The boys' bike. Okay? Guys, just a review. Singular possessed nouns, we add apostrophe and an S. The man's glove, Joe's hat. The man's glove and the Joe's hat. Okay? And for plural nouns ending with an S. Okay? These cats. I add only the apostrophe, just that. The 4 cats toys. 1, 2, 3, 4 cats, so cute. And 1 toy for 4 cats, okay? And for plural nouns that not end in an S, I add apostrophe S, like a singular noun, okay? The man, this is a plural of man. The man's car, okay? I have here 3 men's and I have 3 cars, okay? So these cars here, these cars belong to these 3 men. Okay, guys? So, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope we will be together very, very soon. Okay? Bye-bye. See you.